Hello everybody, Asong Filipino. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyway, so this is my outfit today, and this is the fitting. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so today I'm going to unbox this one from Shein. So this one I ordered I ordered this one during typhoon, and now I have it. So at first I thought that is for my daughter. Now I realize it's a solar, but then I'm going to unbox. So I have two solar lights that you can charge your phone. Oh my god, it's very noisy. I have two solar lights that you can charge your phone, but then charging the phone is quite slow. So that's why I ordered extra light in case for brownout. But the good thing now, I have my electricity back. So I will see. Good for outside anyway, outdoor lights. So I'm gonna show you what I have here. Ooh, so cute. I have a small, I think this is battery. Yeah, very cute. And it's very affordable because what I have last time, I spent 6,500 for two solar light that I can charge, and they said like they will double the price, especially when there's climate problem like typhoon or earthquake or whatever. Actually, when there's typhoon, and this typhoon is very bad, it causes a lot of damage here in the Philippines. Causes? Is that right? You can correct my grammar, guys. So, but then I have this positive and negative charger, a clamp. Actually, you know, I don't really know how to use, and I don't know how to follow instruction either. Okay, at least I have this one. Since I have my solar panel, it's about 200k or more. But the good thing, I choose the good quality one, so it's for the household, right? Well, I can use my house appliance, everything, TV, aircon, or whatever I have to use. But then, so I'm just thinking that I will just give this one to my brother, since I have two extra lights. And I have this battery. I know this one is good. This is only about 30 times 50, 70. Now let's say like 35 or $30. I think it's good. Okay. Because I can tell that the panel is big. I'll put this back again, since I will give this one. Oh, this is so cute. Only it looks so cheap than what I have. The quality, it's like very thin. You can charge here. Look, it's very thin. So sexy. You can hang in the wall. So, and then what you do is, I think you have to plug in this one here. Oh, it's charging. And then this one, I have to, I'm not really good in this. So where I have to charge this one, I cannot charge everywhere here. I think this is for battery. No, wait. Why I have this clamp? I will check. Because I cannot insert something here. I cannot insert the USB port here. Wait, this one? Oh, now I get it. There's an option here that I can plug in. So plus and minus. So and I think this one, you have to do this. Another one is also sorry guys. I thought I got electrified, but nah, okay. I know all is good, but then I will just give this one. It's too complicated, you know. I don't like complicated things in life. And this one, oh, you can suck in this one into the wall. Oh, okay. But that's all for now. And what else you want to see? So you want to see my feet with two rings and anklet. So I have my anklet here, and I also have my two rings. Yeah, so this is the solar panel, very small. So I will just give this one because my brother live in the mountain and they don't have electricity there, and because we have farm from our parents, so we need solar, and I will give this one. And I will keep what I have because the quality of that is good and it's quite pricey also. So at least I can use that one outside, and only I will give this one. So I'm still supporting my brother because that's what the family do, help each other. And then, okay. So far, that's all I have. And then this one is a bubble wrap. So I know you want to see me walking, so I have my flip-flops here. I don't have heels. So I'm gonna make a walking video before we end this unboxing video. Okay. So I'm gonna just put it back. Right now I'm gonna put it back here inside, so I will have my solar later on, and I'm so excited for that. Then I can save paying the electric bill. It's so expensive. No, solar is expensive, but it's good here in the mountain because we always have power failure, especially when there is typhoon and with the maintenance weekly, and I need electricity here so that I will be more independent. Okay, I have to put it back. So this one, I'm just gonna give it. Okay, so actually this is good. It's very helpful. It is very helpful when you live in the mountain without electricity. I'll just close this one and set it. we're going to walk. My dog is really noisy. So I have these purple flip-flops that I wore daily. It's dirty and I'm gonna clean the floor later. So okay, walk with me guys.